Human Impact on Sand Creek by me, Jaleesa Livingstone. Well, first of all, a creek is a branch of river that doesn't have branches of its own. A creek is also a small stream, often a shallow or intimate tributary to a river. Creeks are also called a branch, a brook, a kill, and a run. The difference between a river and a creek is that a creek does not normally have tributaries or branches. By not having branches means that this stream is continuous and basically stays in one lane. These shallow streams, however, contain lots of pollution. For example, with Sand Creek, there are items like shoes around a tree branch, cartons, socks, and even water bottles or spray cans. Now, obviously, all these types of pollution come from humans. All these types of pollutions are a human impact on the creek. Within the next few slides, you will see the human impacts on Sand Creek. By traveling down to the creek and visiting 9 stations, there are all different kinds of human impacts. At Station 9, there was a black sock under a very huge log. This is a human impact because it is pollution that is left by humans. Not only was the sock a piece of pollution, but obviously this couch right here is a big part of human impact. With a couch in the middle of the stream, it is affecting the flow of water. Not only was the couch a part of Station 8, but however, it is part of Station 7 because it is almost in the same location. Now, not only was the couch a human impact in that area, but there was also wood that was left by humans. Now, you could tell that these pieces of wood right in front of the couch are parts of human impact and pollution because you could tell that they are pieces of wood that you could find within multiple places. Now, along in Station 6, there were 2 types of human pollution that caused a human impact on the creek. For example, there is a big piece of wood, and there is also a white sock. These objects are 2 different things that were left by humans, creating a human impact on the environment. Now, Station 5 was located by multiple types of erosion. But within those types of erosion, there was a little spray can bottle. Now, once again, the spray can bottle is human pollution, which was left by humans. Moving on to Station 4, the human pollution that created a human impact was a paper bag. Now, as you can see, the paper bag is within the mud where the water does not flow as quickly or is as deep than other parts. Besides the big couch that was in Station 8, there is also another part of human pollution that is a pretty big, decent size. There is a good size of wood and a broken ornament which is in half. Another picture to describe human pollution and how it creates an impact is in Station 2. Within Station 2, there is another big piece of wood, and there are pieces of cement within the water. Last but not least, Station 1 had various types of pollution. If you can see pretty closely, there are pieces of paper within the branches. With all the different types of pollution within Sand Creek, it is a negative. The pollution is bad within the creek because it can affect animals that eventually come, like for example coyotes, foxes, and even little animals such as birds. Not only that, human pollution creates a negative look on the creek. With the different types of trash, the creek looks dirty and unacceptable. Therefore, human impact is a negative.